Today is 12th July and you are watching Rising TV. This is your dose of AI stories. Let's find out what's happening on the tech street. Let's dive in. Microsoft and Apple have decided to step back from their positions on OpenAI's board. This means they won't be participating in guiding the decisions of OpenAI. OpenAI has also announced that they will not have any more observers from now on. It means that OpenAI may prefer to work independently or with a more focused group. This change could influence how OpenAI operates and makes decisions in the future. This move might affect the direction of OpenAI's projects and strategies. It remains to be seen how this shift will impact the development of AI technologies. AMD, a major technology company, plans to buy a Finnish startup named Silo AI for $665 million. This acquisition aims to boost AMD's efforts in the field of artificial intelligence, AI. Silo AI specializes in developing AI technologies that could be valuable for AMD's future products and innovations. By purchasing Silo AI, AMD hopes to strengthen its position in the competitive AI industry and its biggest competitors such as Nvidia. This move reflects AMD's strategy to invest in cutting-edge AI capabilities to enhance its products and services. However, Silo AI's CEO and co-founder Peter Salen will continue to lead the unit as part of the AMD Artificial Intelligence Group, AMD said. Chinese educational apps are leading a revolution in how artificial intelligence, AI, is used in US education. These apps are changing how students learn by integrating AI technology into teaching methods. They offer personalized learning experiences for individual students' needs, which could improve educational outcomes. This trend suggests a shift towards using AI to enhance traditional teaching approaches in American schools. By adopting these technologies, educators hope to better engage students and improve their understanding of various subjects. SenseTime, a Chinese tech company, has developed a new AI model called SenseNova. This model can analyze and understand multiple types of information in real time, such as text, images, and videos. SenseNova is designed to enhance how AI systems process and interpret complex data from different sources simultaneously. This innovation aims to improve the accuracy and speed of AI applications across various industries, potentially transforming sectors like healthcare, finance, and security. SenseTime's development represents a significant advancement in AI technology, promising more efficient and effective solutions for real-world challenges. AWS App Studio is a new tool from Amazon Web Services, AWS, that can create enterprise apps based on written instructions. This means users can describe what they need the app to do in plain language, and AWS App Studio will generate the app accordingly. It simplifies the app development process by automating many technical steps, making it accessible to more people without deep programming knowledge. TSMC's revenue for the second quarter of 2023 rose significantly, surpassing market expectations due to high demand for AI chips. This growth in revenue highlights the strong influence of AI technology on the semiconductor industry. TSMC's robust performance underscores its leading position in advanced chip manufacturing, driven by the increasing need for AI applications across various sectors.